Horses on, mind that win, jams for your lead, Prince of Doggies running by the rail. I will survive, moving up on the outside, China Star, Dakar is racing in Pip, you belong to me, Pederera, and Gintong Gantimpala is the early trailer. We have mind that win, he's 3 lengths in front of China Star, moving up in third, I will survive, running by the rail is Prince of Doggies, then followed over by you, belong to me, Dakar, Pederer, and Gintong Gantimpala, and it's still mine that wind by about 3 lengths. China Star still in second, I will survive, moving up on the outside now, Dakar, you belong to me, Prince of Doggies. Then next on line now is Pederer and Gintong Gantimpala, mind that win by only 2.5 lengths. Then here comes China Star now trying to get closer in second. Moving up in third is You Belong to Me, Dakar, I Will Survive, Prince of Doggies. Mind that win still in control by about 3 lengths. China Star still in second. Moving up now in third is You Belong to Me as they come down at the last 150. Mind that win by about 5 lengths this time. China Star still in second, moving up by the rail. You Belong to Me, Dakar, and nearing the finish line, it's Mind that Win. Second is China Star. You Belong to Me, Dakar, Pederer. For your bet.
64578.